Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 2 Property Management Service in Laravel 10. This official website name is www.errorsolutioncode.com. This official website. Let this video start. First of all, my channel is Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's start this video. This is my gem folder. Inside this htdoc folder, this htdoc folder, inside this cmd open successfully. Cmd open this gem folder. Inside this htdoc folder, inside cmd open, and this check this composer and enter. Successfully available. This installation composer good. This working fine. This composer version 2.6.5 in this date is available. This successfully. Let's PHP version check. PHP version 8.1.2. Let's check this gem folder. Gem server already started. Apache and MySQL already run started. Let's check this localhost PHP my admin. PHP my admin. Successfully working good. Localhost PHP my admin, and this PHP version 8.1.2. this PHP version is a good. This 8.1.2 and Laravel latest version installation. Composer, this command composer create project prefer this Laravel and property new install this property. This command writing this command, and this property folder is a create inside this not available property folder. Let's check this property folder is not available. Only folder is a 62 folder is available item. Let's enter and create a property folder. Let's check this property folder and this step by step loading. Let's check this property folder is a create. Let's check property folder is a create. This folder inside this 63 item is available. This folder is a create good working. Please wait this installation. This property open this property folder successfully installation this property folder. Let this my channel and this my official website is a error solution code. This official website. Any doubt so please contact inside this available telegram account, and this available, and this available good telegram account is available. In doubt so please contact this telegram account, and this purchase this project inside this premium script in this project in this purchase. This dollar is a payment in this purchase. Let's check this. Please wait in some time. Let's please wait. Successfully project is a installation good. This successfully installation this project. Let's this command line is a this command line writing this command line. Let's run this and this close this and cmd again open this gem folder htdoc folder inside this property. Let's php artisan serve and enter. This copy this line, this URL copy and paste here. Successfully Laravel latest version installation. Laravel latest version installation version 10 and PHP version  successfully installation good. and localhost. This project name is a property, localhost property, and this folder name is a localhost, folder name is a property, and this click this public, and this URL is a remove this public URL, and this same is a working fine this manually. Let's remove this public URL. Let's open this project and dot public, cut this all file is a cut, inside this cut and paste here, public URL is a remove. Let's open this index.php file, index.php file is open my Sublime text editor. Let's successfully open this index.php file is open, and this storage is a remove and remove and remove, save file. Let's refresh this page, and this is a not a working, good working. Let's public inside this enter, and this find property .env enter, and this is a access file. Let's hidden this file. Let's .env file is open this my Sublime text editor, open this .env file is open, and this database name is add database name is a property. Let's open property, this database name is a property. Password is a blank, inside this add property, save file, and this property management service, and this Laravel is a remove, and property management service is a include, and this close, and this close this file, and this file is a close. Let's open this https file, open, inside this add this file.env, access is a remove. Let's refresh this page, this hard refresh successfully, .env is hidden, and this public path is a remove, inside this include, good, and this is a refresh this page, and this is a error, good working, this close, this only manually run, this is a stop, otherwise this is close, all close. This project is a successfully shared. .env file inside this database name is a include, this database name is a property, copy same name property and close this file, database name is a property. Let's create this new and click this new and create successfully, property database name is a create, and this is a blank. Let's open this cmd, inside this cmd open PSP artisan, otherwise wait, this open this database migrate, inside this open this user table, click this user table, in this open my Sublime text editor, successfully open this Sublime text editor, and this unique is a null, and this null is a include. Save this file, this nullable is a include, unique is a remove. Please writing this code in this close PSP artisan migrate, and this command is a copy and enter, this table is a create. Let's refresh this page, database, click this and successfully create, and this is a nullable. Let's tick name, email, and successfully created, this create, and this nullable, and this is a auto increment key, successfully set. Please writing this second command, and this PSP artisan serve, this 3 command is a implement. all successfully set. This click this property database name in this failed job migrate, password reset token, personal access token, and user. This property and this database connection is include. This first of all this working good, and this remove this welcome.php file inside this available resource view. Welcome.php file open. This file is open inside this available. This file is available property resource and view, and this welcome, and this Laravel is available. This Laravel, let's check this Laravel. This available documentation. This file is remove. This file is remove and delete and save only blank is hello, and save and refresh this page. Only hello is available. Good working. This fresh Laravel is available. Let's Ctrl Z and save file and refresh this page. Successfully working fine this PHP version. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Like this video, subscribe my channel, share this video, this latest version. Thank you.